I'm getting ready to cut my hair. It's October, and so I'm following the lunar hair chart, and we're going to look at that to see what my goal is for the month. There are 5 goals with this lunar hair chart. We have strengthening, lengthening, thickening, root work, and beautifying. And if we look at October on the 24th, 25th, I'm going to be focusing on thickening my hair. So I've been using Morocco Method for a number of years now. And honestly, I don't really remember how I came across them. I think I was just looking for alternative ways of dyeing my hair, actually. I came across their henna. I love the fact that it's all natural. And I don't have to worry about the chemicals in my hair. Plus, it's a really good conditioner also. I love how it makes my hair look after dyeing it with henna. If you're gonna leave the world of chemicals, it's a great alternative. And then I started using Morocco Method's shampoos and conditioners in there. I do love their shampoos and conditioners, and they have a hot oil treatment that I love. And I actually just ordered some shampoo and conditioner off of Morocco Method, and this one does set a little bit. It's a bar shampoo and conditioner, but I love the fact that it comes in biodegradable containers. It's just a box. It's just a bar soap for your hair, shampoo and conditioner, and I love how they work on my hair. I mean, there's not enough good things I can say about Morocco Method. I like the founder, Anthony Morocco. I resonate with his desire to find natural alternative ways for us to take care of ourselves and our hair and our body and steer clear of the chemicals that are harmful. And he has studied quite a bit under shamans, and the lunar hair cycle was followed by farmers, when to harvest, when to plant. And so it's the same kind of concept with your hair as far as cutting on certain days to afford you the best opportunity to, whether it's root work or thickening or beautifying, you know, whatever your goal is, it's best to do it on the dates that follow the cycle of the moon. And something I learned about this moon cycle too is there's actually days to also get rid of your hair. So on the days that on the days that you cut it for growth, the opposite days, or the days that aren't listed there, would be the days that you would want to shave your legs or pluck your eyebrows, or wax your mustache, whatever it may be. Those are the days to even do it to help eliminate hair growth. So it works both ways, and that's something I didn't know till recently. And I'm taking smaller pieces this time around, and I think it's mostly because I want to really take the time to get into my hair and take care of my ends. There's lots of different reasons why women, or even just people in general, will lose their hair. And a lot of it has to do with our hormones. A lot of it has to do with our diet. A lot of it has to do, I mean, there's just a lot of elements that can contribute to us losing our hair, having it fall out en masse. And a few years ago, I got super sick, and I was losing a lot of hair. And I went to my son at the time and I said, here's the scissors, just whack my hair off, please. So I cut my hair to my shoulders about, and I had known about Morocco Method at the time, and I had known that they had some elixirs, and I'd never bought the elixirs. But then I was in that desperate state where I really wanted to find some help for my hair. And so I bought their elixir series. There's 2 different series. There's like a starter kit that has 2 different oils in there that kind of preps you and gets you ready. And then there's a goddess series that has 4 elixirs that you rotate and put on your scalp every night before you go to bed. And you do that till the bottles are gone. And I did that faithfully until the bottles were gone. And I was amazed at what was happening with my hair. It started to grow back. And now it's just I love my hair. And I haven't always been able to say that I love my hair. I haven't been too kind to it. And you can see on these under ones, it's a little bit short on here, so I'm having some breakage on the very bottom and on the under part of my hair. This is not as long. So, all right, I've done both sides. Now we gotta do down the middle. This is where it's fun for me. I say that kind of sarcastically because my hair gets in my way, you know? And I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm done.